Hey y'all, it's Coach Jordan from Inside the Creative Coaching Group, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to package something with the boutique flair. Okay, what always used to sell my gift baskets, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's the way it's packaged, it's the way it's displayed, and it's also the way the bow is tied around it. One of my favorite things is like Hostess gifts, so I did a little shopping because we can't do this without a little bit of shopping, you guys. And I found some cute things, right? All of this did come from Hobby Lobby. Look, they've got a nice charcuterie board. They've got some dish towels, some really nice decorative towels. They've also got some wooden spoons. So what you're going to need is whatever you're going to use. But the basics of what you're going to need are also, I like crinkle, you guys. I've used crinkle for years. This is one of my favorite things to use. Now, you can also use cellophane bags. Now, they do have 3 different kinds of bags at Hobby Lobby. The iridescent's just a little too flashy for me right now. I'm like, we're going to do this one. I'm going to fold this down. I'm going to fold this down to the back because I want that really cute ruffle to show. And then we're going to take off the tags off of this. But I want this at an angle, a little bit of an angle. And then I want my spoons on there. Okay? So I kind of like to package them just like that because I really feel like anybody needs a wooden spoon, right, in their life. Like, I feel that that's a really good gift. And then you got the little charcuterie board. So in order for me to kind of keep that stuff from moving, I do like to take a little piece of tape, you guys, and kind of and you can use glue dots as well on there. And I just like to put some tape on here just to kind of hold it down, just kind of like a little tack so it's not moving all over the place. And then I do like to take a piece of it, you guys, as well. And because it's going to be covered, I'm just running a piece across the board. So then I will come in with my towels, my cute little dish towels. You see how I put that tape going across, but it hit the tape. You've got the towels right on there. You can just apply a little bit of pressure just to kind of keep that in line. And then I like to grab some of this raffia because, like I said, this is from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna wrap a little bit of this around there. Not a lot, but just enough. Now, everything's taped down. It's not going to move anywhere. So, y'all, you see, like, it's not going to move. But, y'all, just looking at that, you're like, oh, this looks like a boutique did it for me. Yes, please. Okay? So, next we're going to come on in with our bag. Now, this one, I'm going to say, has a rounded edge on the bottom, a rounded bottom. So, and that's okay. It can be flat bottom, it can be rounded bottom. But I want to dump some of the crinkle in there to be down at the bottom. Okay? So you see where I've added the crinkle. And then I'm going to bring this in, set that right down into the bottom of that. Okay? And now what I like to do is we're going to flip this over. We're going to bunch that up first before I flip it over. Okay. And we're going to tape this down. Double-sided tape is your best friend, you guys, because that's going to hide all your ugly bits. It's not going to... So just kind of going back around that. So, one of my signature colors, you guys, we're going to bring in some ribbon. And because it already had that really nice handle up here, we're just going to wrap a piece of ribbon around it. We're going to tie that in a kind of like, not a super knot, but it's going to be enough to tie some ribbon back into it. Okay. So we're going to come on in again with some of the raffia from when we added that on the inside. Now, I know you really can't see what's on the inside, you guys, and that's what I love. That's what I love about boutique style wrapping. Sometimes you can, but sometimes they use clear cellophane just like this, where really it's an actual gift like when they're opening it, right? So, just coming on in with my raffia, and we are going to make a bow. Let me kind of move it out of the way so you can see. Raffia is not wired, so you just have to kind of go back and forth, make some loops. Okay, we're going to bring in some wired ribbon. You know we have to have our wired ribbon, you guys. We can't be without it. Still holding that in. And this is stuff that you can do not just for boutique style gift wrapping, but also you can do this for Christmas gift wrapping. Right, you can do that. I'm going to bring in some more raffia. Making some more loops. Okay, so you see how that's got the raffia in it. Now we're going to bring in a 1.5 inch ribbon, and we're going to add that in as well, just layering that all up. I stuck with the color family of like the dish towels, so if it's something that's pretty specific, you guys, like if I know I have the ribbon for it, I want to make sure I match it. So that mossy green color, definitely match that. I'm going to just add a few little strips of raffia again. Holding that all together, I'm going to bring in a zip tie. Tighten that up really, really nicely. But look how cute that bow is. You've got the raffia, which I think really gives it that boutique flair. Okay, so we're going to come on in. And do you guys see this little heart right here? It's a really pretty heart ornament. What I want to do, so there did come with 2 balls on it. I'm going to set that down right in between that that bow. So you have the bow, the ribbon just like this, but 1 ball is on the bottom and 1 is on the top. Let's tie that up. So just adding that fun little flair. So it's an ornament that they can keep as well. A little wall hanging or whatever they want to do with it. Cutting up my ribbons. Because now everything's tied up together. So love that. There we go, you guys. Now we have a really pretty gift that makes it seem like a boutique did it, but really it was you that did it. So have fun with it, you guys. You don't always have to use exactly what I use. Curling ribbon's another great option as well, but I love how this looks with the bow, and I love that they can reuse the bow, and I love also that, you know, it's stuff that's meaningful and also stuff that they can use. Great housewarming idea, you guys, because no, you don't want to show up to a housewarming empty-handed. So love how this came out. But y'all, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to join us in creative coaching. You go to creativecoachjordan.com to join us. We'd love to have you. But that's all I got, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.